Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all students? Today we study the story of English A, The Machine Stops, and English B portion include the stories, tenses and essays. The English B stories are he who digs a pit for others fall into it, and other stories something is better than nothing, and tenses future continuous tense passive voice, and essays science has made us lazy. Are parents too lenient towards their children? The Machine Stops is written by E.M. Forster. E.M. Forster describes the life of people. The story describes a world in which most of the human population has lost the ability to live on the surface of the earth. Each individual now lives in isolation below ground in a standard room with all its bodily and spiritually needs met by the omnipotent global machine. Travel is permitted but is not famous and unpopular and rarely necessary. Communication is made via a kind of instant messaging video conferencing machine with which people conduct the only activities, the sharing of ideas and what passes for knowledge. So to explain the story, there are different characters discussed in it. Answers of the questions are: Vishti is a woman and Kuno is her son. Vishti is due to deliver her lecture on music during the Australian period in 5 minutes. Next answer is: in a mechanical chair, people do not move about independently in this world. Vishti does not want to travel in the airship because she dislikes seeing the horrible brown earth and the sea and the stars in the dark. She also says she gets no ideas in an airship. She is separate from the real world because the world outside the machine is contaminated. Kuno says that he wants to speak to his mother not through the very sound machine, but she is shocked that he says something negative about the machine. How are you all students? Answers of the questions are: Vishti is a woman and Kuno is her son. Vishti is due to deliver her lecture on music during the Australian period in 5 minutes. Now come to the future continuous tense of English B. How to make the passive voice of future continuous tense. Firstly, I told you the formula of active voice of future continuous tense. Subject plus will be or shall be plus ing, first form of verb plus object. But when we have to convert into passive voice, then we write the object of the sentence plus will be, shall be, being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. Examples are: active voice is he will be uploading the video, and passive voice is video will be being uploaded by him. She will be raising the public slogans. The public slogans will be being raised by her. The birds will be singing the songs. The songs will be sung by the birds. We shall be playing the cards. The cards shall be being played by us. He will be updating the Facebook status. The Facebook status will be being updated by him. How to make the negative passive voice tense. When a negative sentence is changed into passive voice, note will come between will be and shall be being. The students will not be learning the lesson, and lesson will not be being learned by the students. The pilots will not be flying the jets will not be being flown by the pilots. The passengers will not be eating the rice will not be being eaten by the passengers. Now come to the portion of story. The moral of the story is he who dig pit for others fall into it. The story belongs to three friends. They lived in village. They promised to remain together through thick and thin. They set out on a journey to a town. This town was famous for trade. They had a successful business and a lot of money. After a few years, they returned with a bag full of gold. On their way back to home, they passed through a jungle. They felt very hungry and tired. They sent one of them to go to a nearby village and get food for them. As he went away, the other two made a plan to kill him. On his way, the third man was also planning to have all the gold himself. He thought of poisoning the food. When he brought the poisoned food for them, both of them rushed to kill him. Soon they put him to death. Then they ate the food. As the food was poisoned, they also died soon after eating it. The result was that all them died without losing wealth. And its moral is he who dig pit for others fall into it. Wesley does not want to travel in the airship because she dislikes seeing the horrible brown earth and the sea and the stars in the dark. She also says she gets no ideas in an airship. She is separate from the real world because the world outside the machine is contaminated. Now, essay, science has made us lazy. It's outline of essay, progress of science, its impact, usage of machineries and luxurious lifestyles. Progress of science means that science has made a lot of developments to make our life easier and faster. But on the other hand, it has a lot of impact on our lives. And we are busy in using a lot of machineries and prefer to live a luxurious lifestyle. Are parents too lenient with children? What is parenting? Lenient behavior of parents, unethical behavior of children, its consequence. See you next.